And once again, I want to thank you because I'm getting ready to release a book. It'll come out here. I'll send you links to it. It's coming out. It's called Unleash Your Amazing. And it has a lot to do with this and a lot of other things that I've seen successful teams do. One of those is a growth mindset, right? Continue to grow. But Unleash Your Amazing means to not only understand the power within, but how to harness that with another person. And how you do that is realizing what you have. Once you see the gifts that's inside you, you start to realize, I bet there's gifts inside of the other person. But you can't take a shortcut. You have to understand yourself before you figure out how to make that person beside you great. And once you do that, pretty soon you got a team of people that are now looking for the positives, that are now looking for the aspects of that person that complement you. Think about that. If we could look at each other in that way, when you come to work, how much more powerful it would be. So thank you guys for allowing me to come in and talk to you, for allowing us to do this. And this is just the beginning. This is the start. That repetition, when you think about your next session, some of you may not have the opportunity to really dive into it until we get together. So repetition is going to bring it back to top of mind. And thank you for allowing that.